Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for November 2019. This box is $15 a month. You get makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty, samples, sometimes full-size products, valued between $50 and $90. A lot of times in this box you get a lot of like luxury products, so I really enjoyed this box. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open her up. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of this box to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. So I'll research the sample values, figure out what it's really worth, and add it all up and see what the total box is valued at. Okay, so when you open it up, you're going to get this little book, pamphlet sort of deal. It's going to have everything we're getting in here, as well as their full-size values. It'll also have a little information about each product and why a particular editor might have selected that for their beauty favorite. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from, I think you say that, Vichy? Vichy Laboratories. This is the Mask Peel. This is the Double Glow Peel Mask with Volcanic Rock and AHA. I have used a cream by them in the past before I went cruelty-free, but this brand is not cruelty-free, so I will not be using it. But I remember when I used that cream, I really liked it. It was a thick cream. This is obviously a totally different product, but I did like that one particular product from the brand. The full size of this is valued at $20. I'm curious how big a full size is, because that doesn't seem too pricey compared to some of the other things we normally get in this box. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out looks to be full-sized. This is from E.L.F. This is the Poreless Putty Primer, and mine is in Universal Sheer. This brand is cruelty-free. It's a very affordable brand. I've heard a lot of people actually talk about this particular product too, that it is very good. So I'm curious to give it a try. Here's what it looks like. It does like melt. Doesn't smell like anything, so that's good. Definitely will give this a try. Curious to see how that works. And the full size, which I'm pretty sure this is full size, is valued at $8. So yeah, pretty affordable, actually, although it is actually a little bit pricey for E.L.F. Like, it's affordable, but actually seems kind of expensive for E.L.F. Alright. The next thing I am pulling out is from a brand called Freeze 24/7. This is an anti-aging eye serum. I've never heard of this brand. I'm not really a fan of the packaging or like the logo. It just looks sort of cheap. But like I said, I've never heard of them, so I can't speak to whether they're cruelty-free or not. I do use an eye serum or eye cream every night, so if it is cruelty-free, I definitely will give it a try. Let's see, the full size is $115. Holy crap. That's crazy. So like a rough estimate of this is about half the size of a normal sized one. And so that means this little thing is worth like $50 or $60, something like that. That's insane. This is really tiny, so I wonder why this is so amazing. Has glycerin, aloe, aminobutyric acid. I don't know. We'll find out. If it's cruelty-free, I definitely will try it. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Curology. This is the Clean Sweep, way more than a cleanser. Sorry, my dogs are chewing on bones right now. 2 of them are. 2 out of 3. I don't know if this brand is cruelty-free. I feel like they are. I can't quite recall. I've only seen this like on YouTube ads, this brand. So it's a cleanser. Here's what it is. If it is cruelty-free, I definitely will give it a try. So the full size is valued at $19.95. And that would include a cleanser, a custom treatment cream, and a moisturizer. So it seems pretty affordable for all that you're getting, 20 bucks for 3 items, so that's not too bad. All right, the next thing I am pulling out is from Bliss, which is cruelty free. That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. So there it is. So it sounds like it's like a toner pad or something. Maybe not. I'm not sure what glycolic acid does. Well, yeah, it kind of seems like a toner. So it says, use nightly. Individuals with sensitive skin can start by applying every other night and gradually build up to nightly use. So that kind of seems like instructions that you would see on toner. Now here's the thing. I'm not like a huge fan of like single use things like this. Except for maybe if you're like traveling, this might be good. Especially if you don't like, if you only have a carry-on and you don't want to put like liquids or whatever. So maybe good for that, but in general, I'm not like a huge fan of things that you use once and then throw away the packaging. So, but there is 5 of them in there. Let's see. So for a box of 15, it's $19.99. So, yeah, a little bit pricey. All right, so I have one last thing. This is from Tarte, which is cruelty free. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick, and mine is in the shade of Yachting. So there's the packaging, there's the color. Kind of looks like a nice color. I think this might be full-sized. This definitely seems full-size. I have one of these, let me grab it. So yeah, definitely full size. So that is nice. I think these are like normally like 20 bucks, so not bad. Let's go ahead and look at the color. Ooh, that is so pretty. That is such a fall color. Oh, I love that. Oh, let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Ooh, it's very like purple toned, but I kind of love it. I love wearing dark colors like this, and it seems like the fall is the only time you can, winter is the only time you can really get away with it. Definitely excited for this. I like these Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks. They're not gonna last forever, like you have to reapply them, but I don't mind that. I like a cream lipstick. It just feels good on the lips. So yeah, not mad to get that. And I really like the color. Let's see, let me get an accurate price on that. $21 for that. So right there in this one lipstick, you got more than what you paid for this box. And not to mention this crazy priced eye serum is like worth 3 times what you paid for the box. That's crazy. Okay, so that's everything I got in this box. I have one thing that I know for sure is not cruelty free, and that's this Vichy thing. I think everything else is cruelty free. I just have to double check and look into the Curology. Actually, I'm not sure now because this one I'm not sure either, the 24/7 freeze. But I have 3 items that I know I can for sure use. I don't know. I really like this box. What did you guys think? I would love to know what you thought of this box. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me if you want to see more videos like this for me. More unboxings, more well-behaved dogs back there. Ma'am? Say hi. That's all we get? Just a little look? Okay. If you want to see more of them back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. What do you want? What do you want? What do you need? You a good boy? Oh, you want the lid? You can have the lid. Take the lid.